Take a ride in the 2021 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 1,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power liftgate, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, luggage rack, navigation system, backup camera, heated seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.